great battle is facilitated by Bhishma, Chitta. This Chitta that causes bondage, that Chitta is presented by Shakuni. But Bhishma's Chitta is the root Chitta in every individual. And it is that Chitta that promotes liberation. So Bhishma's blessings always come for Arjuna. Always also remember all the instruments they use. Yudhishthira's spear is penetrating inside. Bhima's gada is gada parinyaya, hammering the truth again and again. Arjuna's bow and arrow. Arjuna's arrow is allowing the soul itself to be shot, led by pranava, om, upasana. And Nakula Sahadevas use swords. Sword is symbolic of promoting asanga, detachment while doing various activities. This is highlight of karma yoga. So all this is going on. Outwardly there will be very great harmony and joy. But when you watch the show, there will be great turmoil. One turmoil after another. The progress on one side for higher self is a positive movement. For the lower self is a negative, terrorizing movement. So all these subtle points behind it.